Welcome to Peppy Learning Solutions. Using this video, you're going to learn about Python environment setup in Windows 10 operating system. Prerequisites are Windows 10 operating system, system administrator permission. You should have downloaded Python 3.5.3 software according to your operating system, which is 32-bit or 64-bit. Let us check the environment first. For that, press Windows button and type Python. There is a Python programs install app which you can install, that is only for the external programs, but there is no Python software installed. To install Python software, double click the downloaded python.exe file and follow the steps mentioned in this slide. I have already downloaded Python 3.5.3 in my machine. You can see it here on the desktop. My machine is 64-bit operating system, so you can see Python 3.5.3 AMD 64. Double click on this executable file. Now there is two options here, install now and customize installation. If you click on install now, it's going to install Python software in the default location mentioned here, which is C:\user peppy app data local programs Python 35, which I don't want to do. I want to do it in a customize installation. So I want to keep all of my softwares in one location, which is under C:\softwares. Click on customize installation. In the optional features window, click on next. In the advanced options, install location, here what I want to do is I want to give C:\softwares/Python/Python 35. You might be wondering why I have given Python and Python 35, because you may require to install multiple Python versions for different softwares. For that reason, I'm keeping this folder, and inside that Python 35, which is 3.5 version, click on install. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Installation is started. Your Python installation is about to complete. Your installation is successful. Click on close button. So we have followed the steps mentioned here. Now let us set the environment for Python. For that, you have to right click on the this PC, properties, advanced system settings. On systems properties window, advanced tab, environment variables, you have to create a new variable called Python home, and you have to provide the Python installation directory, and you have to add that to the path. For that, open a folder, right click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables. In the user variables section, create a new variable called Python home. Give the variable value as C:\softwares Python 35, where we have installed the software. Click on OK. Click on path, click on edit. In the variable value, at the end, give a semicolon if it is not there. Now semicolon is available. I have to give %%. In between of percentage, I am giving Python home, Python_home, which is a variable I have created, and say OK. Say OK. Say OK, and I close this. Okay. Now I have set the environment variables. So as per the directions, I have created a new variable for Python home, and I have edited path variable, and I have added Python home path. Next, Test the setup. To test the setup, press Windows button and type Python. Now you can see here in the app section Python 3.5 64-bit. Click on this. You can see here there is a Python interpreter opened. So let's close this using QUIT, and now you can open Python interpreter in another way using the command prompt. For that, click on Windows button, type CMD, click on the command prompt desktop app, type Python. Now there is an interpreter opened in the command prompt. So when there is 3 greater than symbols, the interpreter is opened. Now let me quit this interpreter. Exiting the command prompt. Now quick check. Let us check some of the Python command. For that, press Windows button, type Python. You can see the best match here in the first one, which is Python 3.5 64-bit. Click on this. So here follow the instructions given here. So let me increase the size of the console. Okay, so let me give 2 plus 2. Here you see the output 4. Now let me give a string in the double quotes, Peppy Learning. You can see the output Peppy Learning. Now let me give 13 divided by 5. You can see the output as 2.6. Now let me give 13 double slash by 5, which will give the rounded integer. Let's say it is 2. To quit the interpreter, you have to type a quit method. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.